Make every cut faster, smarter, and easier. In 2014, inside the world's most diverse and fast-moving car market, China, we noticed the same problem everywhere. The same vehicle, different cutting results. Not because technicians lacked skill, but because patterns weren't consistent, nesting wasn't smart, and materials were wasted. That's where YINK began. Make data accurate first, then make cutting intelligent. Starting with domestic trade, we built scanning, patterns, and algorithms. Year after year reducing errors and squeezing out waste. When our data and tools proved stable, we went global. Today our mission remains clear. Be the most complete and accurate automotive aftermarket data provider worldwide, expanding our library and capabilities so every cut is backed by data. YINK PPF cutting software includes global model data, a full language pack, and inch mode. Super nesting boosts material utilization, while one key edge expansion and editing tools make adjustments effortless. YK901X Basic, stable from day one, 0.03 millimeters precision, 800 millimeters per second speed, a 3.2-inch display. PPF ready, broadly compatible, and offline capable, ideal for new shops. YK903X Pro, production friendly and versatile. Handles PPF, tint, and vinyl with integrated systems for stable, fast cutting. Great for busy shops and compact lines. YK905X Elite, built for speed and precision. 0.01 millimeter accuracy, 1,500 millimeters per second speed, 4.3-inch touch display with dual silence servos and a powerful adhesion fan for stable, long-run performance. YK-T00X, our high-end platform flagship, V12 power-saving motor, approximately 15% less power, WON linear guides, 4-axis NMB bearings, a stable base, and an ultra-quiet voice coil motor for long, precise runs. All material compatible, no encryption, offline ready, with 15-month after-sales. From R&D to after-sales, the YINK team stands with you, standardized training, and a global partner network for reliable delivery. Next live demo starts in 5 minutes. Drop by to claim your model data trial and nesting savings sheet.